Ikaw na.
Si EI was born March 28, 2004. Aga. Sa Iloilo Doctors Hospital. Si Dr. Abelita man nga OB. Tapos ang pedya gani. Sino ating pedya ka to?
Dr. Patrimonio.
Dr. Patrimonio. Labor ba? Grabe yung labor. Grabe ang puhap-puhap sa likod ni mama. I think all the time labor kag bagbata dyan gid ako. And si Dayla,
was delivered March 22 sa evening.
2007.
Before na-admit ako, pero nag-failed ang induction. So I was
papanaw-panaw ko sa SM
out on pass.
Out on pass. Gipalagaw sa SM for one day.
For one day, up and down, until nga nag-labor. So,
pagkagabi.
nagwa na si Dayla
At sa gabi
sa gabi. She was 2.9 kilograms.
Di malipatan kay EI ta na dinosaur. Grabe ra sa dinosaurs. Daw puro tanan kami dinosaurs sa balay. And
Every time may greet mo siya ay
gangarap. Kamay. Basta mag 7 years old guro na or 8 years old. Kag
si ay nag-breastfeed ako until
3 years, 4 years.
until siguro 2 years and a half. Tapos nag-bottle feed pa siya until grade 2, I think.
Battlefield. Dahil ata na.
Si Dailata na 9 months lang breastfeeding, then nag-stop na.
Why red?
It's my favorite color.
Si EI kadya medyo caring, strong-willed, medyo responsable. Garing para pangara dyan sa mga albayan na. Very strict. Stricto si EI. And growing up, actually, dawra gawagid kami problema kay EI.
Caring gid sa mga
Caring
kay
sa mga
Lola,
malam.
kay Lolo.
Amo man si Dayla. Dayla, very caring gid. Sanda ka dyan, injection ka, insulin. Ni Lolo, kag ni Lola ko na ridya sanda. And
Si Dailata na medyo suplada, mana sa nanay na.
Si Ian, most likely din ang walang characteristics nga.
Kay tatay na.
Tatay.
medyo
Feelings tatay.
responsible gid man si EI.
Excited ka, Day?
50-50. I don't know. Hindi ko alam feeling ko.
Pero kung dali ka muna po.
I don't know.
Hindi mo na wala yung office na.
Feel ko sa Jaja ka.
Pero kung mas excited ka after.
Mas excited ako sa friends ko.
Hit the whip, do it like a bust it, like a move it, like a shake it, like a move it, like a hippie, 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 joy. Work that, get that, and a dead boy. Do not hit it with the, 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 hit it.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Do it, do it, do it again. Do it, do it, do it again. Do it, do it, do it again. Do it, do it, do it again.
So kaya nag-chat niyo mo itong kasando? Char,
Ginabukay ko kami.
Si makeup ko dyan yan. Nantaw ka bang
bangga mo.
Mga nag-greet naman ka ng gachat.
Do it, do it, do it again. 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 Do it, do it, do it again.
So to EI and Dayla, adulthood rin dyan. You are going into another stage in life where we will treat you as adults. So, ang amon lang, we pray that you continue to be good Because amo larang ginapangita natin, no? We pray for our children to be good men and women in this world. We know that God will provide for you, will guide you, and will teach you and cover you all the ways of your life. Never forget to pray, and never forget family first, and work for your future.
Future to become a doctor.
Kung gusto gid ninyo. Okay, nanay, ano pa imong dugang?
That's all.
That's all. Thank you.